Imagine buying your dream BMW or Audi. Smooth ride, aggressive power, luxury everywhere. Then one morning, boom, engine overheating, coolant everywhere, tow truck on speed dial. And the craziest part? The failure often comes from a tiny plastic cooling pipe worth less than dinner. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you could save you thousands of dollars. Modern German cars are engineering masterpieces, but hidden inside many of these engines is something mechanics quietly call a ticking time bomb. Plastic cooling components. Yes, plastic inside one of the hottest environments in your car. Across BMW, Audi, and other European brands, parts like coolant flanges, thermostat housings, expansion tanks, and water pump components are often made from lightweight plastic. Why? Because manufacturers chase fuel efficiency and performance, and plastic helps reduce weight. Great for speed, not always great for longevity. Engines go through brutal temperature swings every single drive. Over time, that constant heat cycling causes plastic to become brittle, warp, crack, leak. And once one part fails, the cooling system collapses. What starts as a small coolant drip can quickly turn into engine-destroying overheating. The 60K to 80K mile danger zone. Here's where it gets scary. Many plastic cooling components begin failing between 60,000 and 80,000 miles due to heat stress and vibration. BMW expansion tanks alone often need replacement around 80K to 100K miles because the plastic degrades. Electric water pumps, another weak point, commonly fail between 60K and 100K miles. See the pattern? It's not random, it's predictable. Why failures are so catastrophic. When a coolant flange or hose cracks, coolant can dump instantly. No warning, no slow leak, just overheating, fast enough to warp cylinder heads or blow gaskets. That tiny part might cost $20, but repairs can explode into hundreds or even thousands because of labor and engine damage. Mechanics even call these components silent saboteurs. You're driving normally until suddenly you're not. Turbo engines make it worse. Modern turbo BMW engines generate extreme heat. Those temperature spikes accelerate damage to pumps, hoses, thermostat connectors, and bearings. More power usually means more heat. More heat, more stress on plastic. The domino effect. Here's something most owners don't realize. Coolant components often age at the same rate, so when you fix one leak, another shows up soon after. Mechanics literally describe it as a domino effect. Worst case scenario? If a coolant hose fails and you keep driving, you risk warped cylinder heads, damaged gaskets, total engine failure. At that point, you're not repairing an engine, you're replacing one. Important reality check. This isn't just a BMW problem. Audi models frequently develop cracked coolant flanges where hoses connect to the engine. It's an industry-wide pattern among German luxury vehicles. So why do manufacturers still use plastic? 3 reasons. Weight reduction, better fuel economy, and a lower production cost. But remember, automakers design cars to survive the warranty period, not necessarily forever. So how do you avoid engine disaster as a smart owner? If you own or plan to buy a modern German car, do this. Inspect the cooling system around 60K miles, replace the thermostat and water pump preventatively, and watch for coolant warnings or temperature spikes. Many experts recommend replacing these parts around 70K miles before they fail. Preventative maintenance is always cheaper than engine replacement. Always. So, do BMW and Audi engines self-destruct? Not exactly. But ignore the cooling system, and your engine might. Because sometimes the difference between a luxury driving experience and a catastrophic breakdown is just one brittle plastic pipe. If you found this valuable, follow for more car truths most dealers won't tell you. And remember, performance is expensive. Neglect is even more expensive.